G'day, my name's Richard and welcome back to 3D Printing for Fun. Today we're going to print out an Australian coin stacker by user John Peng, but we're going to modify the file a little bit and make it a lot taller to fit more coins. Let's download the file and put it into Simplify 3D. Okay, so here we are in Simplify 3D. We're going to go over to Scaling. We're going to unclick Uniform Scaling and put the Z to 300%. Much better. Now we're just going to go to Edit Process Settings. We're using a profile by Chris Elkins. The infill is going to be 30%. Speed is going to be 80 millimeters a second. 60 degrees for the bed. 200 for the nozzle. 0.2 layer height. Estimated time to print is 16 hours and 37 minutes. Let's save it and get it over to the printer. And here we have the finished product. It turned out really good. I'm very happy with it. I've already put some coins in it. And it's quite a bit of weight to it already, so no doubt when it gets completely full it'll be extremely heavy. But yeah, it turned out good. I can't wait to fill it up with all my coins. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.